teenagers indeed. You know what I'm gonna see them? Look at my yellow girl.
Give me God, because everything I am, I'm trading. Got my life in your hands, all my plans, cause I'm trading. What's good for me, cause you're good for me. I know it's been a while, but I gotta tell the truth.
Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. It is welcome if you're new. I am Shakay. So hey. So yes, it is Saturday and I'm starting a new vlog because why not? I wasn't gonna start a vlog for today. I was thinking like probably tomorrow, but I don't know, probably like a Saturday in my life with a little difference, you know, a Saturday vlog. I don't know, I was just gonna plan to do like a vertical vlog, but I think I'm gonna just do or try to do this one and probably do today and tomorrow in one vlog. So Saturday, Sunday in my life. So for today, it is currently 7:44, and for today we have a funeral to attend today, and we also have to get back and prepare for tomorrow. So it's quite a lot of stuff. I wanted to wash my hair, but I don't think that's gonna work. So I'm just gonna wait until like Monday to wash my hair and all that. So I'm just gonna come home and like, what do you call it, rod it so it can curl it for tomorrow, because tomorrow is like a special function, so I'm gonna rod it for tomorrow. Yeah. All right, so right now I'm gonna be preparing breakfast. So I'm gonna clean off the stove because I need to clean the stove. I feel so bad. The other day I was so in so much rush to leave. Not yesterday, like the day before, and yesterday I forgot to do it. This is a real vlog, people. I'm human and whatever, so you want to judge, you judge. I care zero anymore. I'm starting to get into my era of not caring what people want to say. May I try get to that era there, yeah. So yes, I need to clean that stove right now, and then we'll see how the rest of today go. So yeah, I think we're supposed to leave here about 10. My sister said she want to leave, so I have to just, I don't iron it. I don't look not well. I look one dress, I don't look nothing else yet. No pat nothing yet, so all of that's I gotta do right now.
Drop it in the water, let the daughter find an image with the rest. She'll be learning how to breathe, spinning through identity, reveal another pretty little scheme. Save her mind, hold her hand, and don't believe a lie. You understand me. Walk her down the valley, pack a piece of heaven for the bottoms of her feet. Teach her how to jump and how to stretch when she reach, like the angels do, and you gon' make it through now. Tell about the healer, greater is the one within, and call him as the leader.
God, you call me by my name. The love you give me, I just can't deny. Yeah. No longer blinded, I can see you. I'm on my way to meet you. We gotta talk, you know. All these trials and tribulations got me tired, I need rest. And I heard that I can come to you when weary of my flesh. You awaken me from death, God, I need you. No more walking by the flesh, that's when I leave you. God told me I'm someone, 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 know that I'm someone, no, I'm a child of God. I wanna go to Golly way, close to your love again. I give my heart again, Jesus. I wanna go to Cali way, close to your love again. I give my heart again, Jesus. I know you know me well. I feel invisible until you tell me all I feel. I can't pretend to do a thing with to break your heart. Sometimes I go to you for what you give, not who you are. I wonder if you'll leave for me. God, just tell me what you need from me. Is the Holy Spirit still in me? God, I'm asking you for clarity.
Alright guys, so I found what I'm wearing. So I found this black dress. Well, I did find it before, but yeah. Wearing that black bag. I'm just carrying my umbrella. Wearing my glasses. Yeah. And then these are my jewelry. I decided on silver. So wearing this hope necklace, my smartwatch, these two bracelets. Yeah, my silver rings and my anklets. That's it. Alright guys, so this is the outfit. Just kind of dark, but it's like it is kind of stretched out, so yeah. Alright guys, I am ready. As I was showing you guys my outfit earlier, so yeah, we're gonna head out in a few. Just waiting on the ride to get here, the taxi. So yeah, we're going to head out and all of that. So praying for safe journey. Yes, strangers indeed. You know what I've been to them? Long time, like for last year today. Hey guys, so I am back home. It is currently about 5:30 or so. Got home about half an hour ago, so about 5 o'clock or a little bit after 5, I think. So it's about half an hour ago. So right now I am going to get some stuff ready for tomorrow. Remember I told you guys I'm going to Kingston, so we're going to the National Arena. We're gonna have a Jamaica Baptist Union assembly, so I need to prepare stuff for that tomorrow, so I'm gonna do that right now. All right, yeah. Good morning guys, so it is Sunday. So yes, I am ready. It is like a little bit after 6 our time, 6:14. We're ready.
Good morning.
Good morning.
I feel blessed.
Yes, for the videos.
Look at my clothes. Sheen, people, sheen.
Sheen.
Shine. Shine.
Let's show you the outfit.
Let's tuck in the belly. 1, 2, 3.
Anyway, so
Wait, the nose to the outfit. Yes. Look like a bird.
look like a bird.
Yes, with the wings.
Oh,
Duh.
yeah.
Now check out Shakay. This is becoming my other favorite print, y'all. She's too sexy. I wore mine last week.
And I have my yellow.
It's not she.
My yellow crocs.
I love it. Okay.
Look at my yellow crocs. Yes, and I got blue toes. Hey guys, my Christmas gift just. She's finally ready.
Hey.
Bye. Yeah.
Oh my god,
Are you
guys,
ready?
that looks so pretty.
Yeah, she do her ear people proud. Listen, suppose we cook food for care up.
Then what we care from country, yam, banana, dumpling.
Zebedee boy picnic them mother come to Jesus with her boy them. She kneel down and ground and asked him for this fear. So he said to her, say, what you want? She answered back, me want you to love me two boy them to sit down in your kingdom. One on your right hand side and the next one on your left hand side.
Hi to the vlog.
And it can get even better if you pledge to do your part. Amen? Be blessed.
Hey guys, good morning. So I just realized I did not end this vlog, so I'm just coming on to end this vlog. I don't think I've ended a vlog in quite a while, so I just wanted to end this vlog. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Trying to get back into the vlogging style, trying to do this like often, but I try like vlog everything. So even if I don't post it, at least I will be getting more practice and all of that. So yeah, trying to get back into vlogging. So hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Don't forget, like, share, and subscribe if you want to. And I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Bye.
God, you call me by my name. The love you give me, I just can't deny.